Dear recruiter, are you trying to log in into your Naukri employer's account but have forgotten your password? Well, do not worry. Learn to set a new password in less than 2 minutes through this video. So to get started, click on the employer zone on Naukri's website, which is www.naukri.com, and you will be redirected on the employer's login page. Here, if you do not remember your password, click on Forgot Password link, enter your user ID here, and click on Submit. Now this will show that an email has been sent to the respective email ID. If you do not have the access to the same email ID, either contact the person who has the access or contact us at support@naukri.com. Now once you would receive the email, it would look like this. Here you can see there's a link to create a new password. Click on it, and from here you can set a new password. Please note, this link will be functional for 72 hours and can only be used once. If you do not receive this email, contact us at support@naukri.com. And that is all about it. If you have any doubts or suggestions regarding to our videos, please email us at support@naukri.com. Also, do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel through the button appearing on your screen. Thank you.